So in this video I'm going to go through the reinstallation of the door cards I've repaired previously. So on this one, this is the driver's door. You can see I've got quite extensive repairs all across here where it all bowed and sagged. Basically because it's 35 years old and it's just been lent on. This is made out of hardboard, cardboardy type stuff, so it does go quite brittle and break. I'm going to go through reinstallation. On the door itself, I tried to prepare the wiring so we don't have horrendous rattling later on. I don't know if this is the correct routing because it was just everywhere when I took the door card off. I've got 3 points across the top where we're going to have the clips going in. Make sure if you've got any broken clips that the old clip is removed. This one here particularly was covered up, so I would have found that a struggle later on. The clips across the bottom, which you've got to line up the bottom of your door card. So little boy is shouting. We'll line that up. Got the points on the end where you have your screw clips. And we've got your door card, door handle mounting points, and a main mounting point for the front here. So we'll have a go. We'll see how this goes, eh? So you can see where the damage was previously. All this here was collapsed. This is really bad, but now it's all nice and solid. It's not perfect by any means, but so much better than what it was when I took it off. Very, very usable. On the bottom of the door card there are 4 like metal cages, they look like. I'm just lining them up with the mounts on the door. The door card is quite bent and bowed because it's old. We'll get that all lined up. Hold it straight in. There we go. Up to 4/6, I'll just break the clips. Good. Took out some very long screws out of here. They are unnecessarily long. Shouting. Small human inside. Good long screw. nice bit of tension, but not too much. Stubby for that one. I'm putting back in black screws on the edge. I think they look a little bit better than the silver. They are stainless steel, so they will last a long time. You know, these are cleaned up really well. All this material was disgusting when I took it off. It's really nice now. You haven't seen my other video as well. Took this off and did a quick fix repair on the window regulator because the windows are incredibly slow. Not worked to treat. It's a really nice easy job for you to do. I'm sure all the old Fords suffer. Left-handed job. Beautiful. These door handles, they're a little bit lighter. I've done a video on restoring these as well. I mean, a lot of the texture's gone on them, but they're not the brittle, dry, flaky plastic that they were when I took them off. That should look really good. Really good. Really impressed with them. That's a good job. Sorry, I discovered my wiring's too short. It's going to be lovely. It's going to be lovely. That'll be fine. Where's that screw? Absolutely unnecessary. Right, back to it. It's got cord inside by my lovely wife. Made me a sandwich. Right. The top screw I was struggling with before, I've just swapped it out for a smaller screw. It was too tight in the hole and it had too big of a head. I swapped it out. It was clearly in the wrong place. It wasn't where it came from. So it's all dusty. So looking at this right now, this should have gone off first. Because now it's going to be quite awkward to get that screw in. A bag of screws. It doesn't need to be quite so long. I'll go and grab a shorter. Again, I'm putting black stainless screws in. I think they look a little bit nicer. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw. So they dropped it. Definitely do this first before you put the door handle on. Snip it up, that's nice. Switch. A large side, a small side. So they're quite nice. And this cover. It's a nice little job. Nice little job. So here's a quick review on the door cards. So all in all, I spent around about £35. That includes the paint for the door handles, the resin, and the matting for the back of the door cards, and these nice stainless steel screws that I've put in, which I've bought for all over the car. The black stainless satin finish, they just seem to sit quite well with the black car. You can still see on the door cards we do have some impressions still from where they were damaged previously, but the door card itself, the arm, is absolutely solid. It just really is quite a transformation. The door cards are absolutely wrecked. I managed to find one of these for an electric wing mirror, which on my previous video didn't have one fitted. And then on the passenger side, which was absolute rubbish, that's come up really well. And it had actual bits of vinyl missing. Now it's got a really good material, really good fabric. I've obviously got rid of the bad door handle. I haven't got rid of it, I've stripped it, painted it, which sits quite well. It is slightly lighter, as you can see, but I think it is actually darker now than when I painted it. So it says there, I think the colour has actually settled. And again, I've found an electric wing mirror cap and fitted that, because I didn't have any caps before. I had a manual window cap, I think, on that side. So yeah, we're looking at some good progress. 35 quid. It was a free door card, and it's come up really well. Again, it's had the strengthener I've put in here. The fabric's a bit loose, but it's absolutely solid. Someone in the comments mentioned about the wiring. I do really need to sort that out. I'll get a head unit in there at some point, but as the car doesn't get driven, it's not the top of my priority. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I've got other videos on the door cards, and the handles, and wind regulators, specifically to this sort of area. I'm working on some Recaro seat restorations, so that'll be a nice one coming. Yeah, thank you for following. Give me a like and subscribe, really appreciate it.